The structures still remaining on this site today are remnants of the Agnew Lumber Company sawmill, operated by Samuel Alexander Agnew during the 1940s and 50s. Prior to that, the original mill was owned by the Eastern Railway and Lumber Company, which operated on the site from about 1900 to when a fire ended operations in 1939. What you see here today, the current condition of the site, is the result of the China Creek Restoration Project. According to the Centralia Chronicle, during the restoration project, the remnants and foundations of at least 20 buildings were found. That could be China Creek, I'm not sure.
Could be a fork of it.
See this structure up here? It's what we called Castle Dread.
Yeah.
And the last time I played around on that was sometime in the early 90s. I can hop that. I don't think Aaron can though.
No, my leg is too little.
Throw some rocks out there and make a bridge. Looks like somebody tried. Didn't make it.
No, I should have brought my boots.
Your boobs?
I didn't
Wow,
know
it's bigger than I remember.
So the structure behind me has something to do with the Agnew mill, or the predecessor before it was owned by Agnew. And when I was a kid, we would climb through the brush and play around in that. Yeah, I could only guess what purpose this served.
Look at that big cottonwood grew just boom.
Oh.
They grow so fast.
Yeah. Yeah, that one there,
Yeah,
it's
that's
huge.
amazing. That tree's probably like 60 years old.
So you'd like play around in here when you're kids?
Yeah, and it wasn't this crumbled. It's crumbled a lot in the last
It has crumbled.
30 years.
So have I.
Yeah. Walk up, get on the top of the walls, walk around and stuff.
Yeah. He flips.
Two flips. Like you're Spider-Man.
You know, like parkour. Yeah, like Spider-Man.
Let's go look at this other structure. Something was mounted on top of that concrete. You can see the bolt sticking up. I didn't really look at this one the other day.
Does that say?
See how this is dished out?
Yeah.
So it makes me think something round, like a giant...
Oh, a wheel.
Oh, a wheel. Yeah.
Yeah, some
Sure.
kind of wheel.
Possibly from the creek.
Oh, look, there's another bridge
No.
with a name on it.
Watch out for that. Look at that rebar.
It says
Yeah,
Claiborne.
Waco.
Waco and Claiborne.
Claiborne. You can look these up and see where they came from. What does it say? We can look some of these up.
Idaho something.
TRU Idaho.
True, Idaho.
TRO Idaho.
I don't know what that one says.
I don't know either.
Can't read it.
I would like to get a shot of where the stairs go under the tracks. Which somewhere over there.
Somewhere over here.
I don't have
Wow,
it
look at this.
set up, but
All debris, you know?
yeah, that tree grew on all that brick.
That's so cool. say it's filled in.
I don't know. I don't think that's it. I mean, they could have piled it on top of it, but
Yeah.
Whoa.
that's not it. See, there's a wall of concrete there,
Yeah.
and like a pipe that comes out.
Yeah. That thing's probably filled in.
Somewhere there is a tunnel that goes under the tracks so that workers could get from the mill to town, but we can't find it. So what's your impression of this area?
It's really cool. I like that you can go down and walk around in it and see what the mill site would have been, well, kind of what it would have been like. And I like that it seems like they're trying to do some habitat restoration around it. And I like the idea that when you were kids, you came here and played around on it, because that's always fun.
It looks like a fossil.
It does look like a fossil, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Fossil of industry.
It's fossil drift.
Yeah, I mean, you got steel rope, you got chain,
Really cool.
you know, links of some sort of chain, and
Some conduit.
some kind of round rod.
Look at that big chain link.
Yeah. Right, so you have like, kind of like your classic chain link, but then like the links that run a machine.
Yeah. Exactly.
It's interesting. So behind me is the tunnel, the access tunnel from the Agnew mill to the west side of the tracks, where workers could come and go from the mill to access the town, which is over here. And then also the Agnew Mill Company office is located just a block away from the tunnel that you see right there.